Mist is basically a way for you to automate using the workflows with post functions, condition, and validators. Basically, it's automation without being automation. It has a bunch of different goodies that expands the capabilities that Jira has beyond this single point. Going to the next slide, I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what Jira has to offer. You can see here, I could just show you a little bit about, oh, a few options that comes with the tool. So there's a few conditions. You can see here, 5 conditions, 6 validators. If we go to post functions, which is the next part, there is, I think, 15 post functions, a bunch of different options that you can go from creating issues to linking them together, validators based on different options with the linked issues in general, based on status, a bunch of different goodies, and those are not even the automation side, just basic post functions that you can use. So everything's fully configurable for you. But I always like to use something a little more whimsical, which is the next image, just to show you guys how much you can do with Jira, with Misk. Is basically a wizard that you hire to pre-build all those things for you from scratch. So you don't even need to worry about them. You can just use them as they come. But you can be like, oh, Fernando, okay, I like those items. They're very, very nice, but I need something extra, something in my use case, my customers or my client, my company is very, very specific. There is nothing on Mist that could even be prepared for this. They could not even think about my use cases. What I can use is the next part, which is a bunch of different parts revolving automation. So you have coding for non-coders. This is the basic platform that revolves around Mist, where you have the ability to code all those parts. So adding different conditional scripts, structures, basically building everything with your necessities, but without you having to know the syntax behind it. You can just select a field that you want, a variable, different blocks, or just the basic structure. And the MISC will try to give you suggestions. You can see the assessing the different fields, assessing subfields, so different values inside of the information, and even giving you ideas to test that out. So it's literally coding for non-coders. I always like to joke that Jira is, you don't need to have a PhD for you to build scripts. MISC, you also don't need to have that. You can just use the tool and grab the options that it gives and build scripts from scratch.